Tim Cray, Expert Power Wash, Vancouver, Washington. I want to show you guys a short gun that we set up for downstreaming soft house washing. Let's take a look. All right, guys, here's the soft wash gun that I set up. Just a short lance, 6-inch lance, just to straighten out the water a little bit. Let's get into the gun. It's a ST 1500. Good quality gun if you guys are looking for something that's not going to break the bank, that's going to be dependable. You can use this every day. It's going to work for you. So let's get into the gun here. I got a quick disconnect here at the end, stainless steel. And then going on over to the tubes, just 6-inch, 1/4-inch threads. Pick this up from the local hardware store. I'm sure other hardware stores may have these. Just screws into quick disconnect there at the end. It's brass. Probably going to change that out to stainless steel coming up here in the near future. So got it connected to a J-rod setup that I got from Pressure Tech. This particular kit is 7 to 8 gallons a minute. I'm running a GX 690 Honda pressure washer. It's 8 gallons a minute, 3,500 PSI. So this works out perfect. One of the reasons to have a short lance gun like this is I work in a lot of development areas, and it's really hard to get in when they build them fences, 3-4 feet off the house. So having something like this is pretty handy for getting into some of them tight areas. Also the weight. If you guys are lugging around them big old 36, 48-inch lances all day, your arms are definitely going to feel it. So this just shaves a little weight. Like I said, it's nice and handy. It gets into nice tight corners. Just all around great soft washing gun setup. So show you guys the tips there. You probably can't read them. I'll go ahead and link at the bottom of this video with a link to Pressure Tech of the exact kit that I bought. So all right, you guys seen some stuff sitting down here. Let's talk about this real quick. So a couple different options for thread seal. Recently started using this stuff. It's Remco Seal T+2. The stuff works great, doesn't dry, doesn't flake off. Sometimes when you're using this stuff here, this stuff can flake off and get into the tiny little orifices of your gun. So still works. Keep this in the toolbox just in case for emergency purposes. But I've switched to this Remco Seal. The stuff works great. So just a little tip. If you guys have any questions, comments, get a hold of me. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.